Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about ninth class maths real numbers. In this chapter already I finished exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in the before videos. If you want that, see in my channel. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the more videos. Okay, now let us see some more problems on irrational numbers. Today I will explain example 12, 13 in this video clearly. Okay, example 12. Check whether first one 5 root 2, 5 by root 2, 21 plus root 3, pi plus 3 are irrational numbers or not. So we should check these numbers are irrational or not. So first one is the 5 root 2. So first one do 5 root 2. And we know now about root 2 value. We know now. So what is the root 2 value? Root 2 value is 1.414 and so on. So how to find this root 2 value in the decimal form? Already explained in the before video. By using long division method we can solve this one root 2 value in the decimals. Okay, if you want that video I will give link in the description box, see there. Okay, here root 2 value you know. So 5 into that root 2 value, what is 1.414 and so on like this. Okay, if we multiply this one 7.070 like this it will come. Okay, now let us see. So here and so on coming, so 0707 like this coming now. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, now let us take the second problem. Okay, see here 1.414, again here 2 like this it will come. It is not repeating. So it is a non-terminating or non-recurring decimal. Okay, now here this one 5 divided by, okay, we should multiply with the root 2. Why here denominator root 2 have no? For removing this denominator root 2 we should multiply with the root 2 both numerator and denominator. So here 5 into root 2 is 5 root 2 and divided by root 2 into root 2. How much? Root 2 whole square, nothing but 2 only. So here root 2 whole square, square root will be cancelled and again 2 will come. So here 2, that one. So here 5 into this one root value 1.414 and so on divided by 2. Okay, so if we multiply this one 5 into 1.41, same number only coming to this one. So 7.070 and so on divided by 2. Nothing but here 7 half like that, nothing but 3.53 something coming. Okay, so here also it is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Here non-terminating, non-recurring coming no, same in answer also non-terminating and non-recurring also coming. Okay, now third one. Okay, here what is the root 3 value? Same we can do like a root 2 problem. So root 3 value is 1.732 and so on. Okay, now so do by using long division method this root 2 value and find out same this number only coming 1.732. Okay, now this one 21 plus what is the root 3? 1.732 and so on. If we add this both, which number will be coming? We should add and write here. So 21 plus 1 is nothing but 22. After decimal point same only coming. So it is also the non-terminating and it is also the non-recurring decimal. So non-terminating, non-recurring decimal nothing but irrational numbers only. Only terminating decimal only the rational number. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimal is the irrational number. Okay. Okay, here pi plus 3, 5. 5 nothing but what is the value of 5? 3.1415 like this. We know now this one. So pi nothing but we can write as a 22 by 7. And if we divide that one, so 3.141 like this coming. It is also a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. and plus 3. You should add that 3 to this number, decimal number. So what will come here? 6, 3 and plus 3, nothing but 6.1415 and so on. It is also the non-terminating and non-recurring. So see these 4 problems in this one. So all are non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. These problems we call it as a irrational numbers. So all these are non-terminating and non-recurring. So they are irrational numbers. Lastly, we can write like this: they are irrational numbers. They asked in question, no, they are irrational numbers or not. Yes, it is a irrational numbers. Total 4 problems in this irrational numbers only. Okay, now let us go to the example 13. Okay, see this example 13. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. We should subtract this expression from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. So here write first this expression, write first. Okay, see here first this expression and afterwards this expression minus, subtract they gave, no, so minus. So here first expression write as it is, and here minus into plus minus 5 root 3 and minus into plus minus 7 root 5. Okay, now take first root 5 first, write 3 root 5 and minus here 7 root 5, and again here 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, here root 5 is a common, no? So 3 minus 7, nothing but minus 4. So minus 4 root 5. Root 5 is same as it is. And here also in these two numbers, root 3 is a common. So take the root 3 as a common. And here minus 5 and here minus 7 having. So minus 5 minus 7, how much? Minus 12 root 3. Okay, now so in this both minus is common having. So we can take minus common or leave like this. So here wish that one take minus common and 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. So this is the answer for this example 13. Okay, clearly understood for you. And okay, total example 12 and example 13, I think you understood this one. I will show in the textbook also. See here, this one example 12 and example 13 also having. So remaining examples and this formula I will explain in the next videos. Okay, and please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.